Welcome. If you're looking to disable two-step verification on your Telegram account, you're in the right place. Whether you want to simplify your login process or just need to remove the extra password, this updated guide will walk you through each step, clearly and quickly. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Once you're inside, look to the very top left corner of the screen. You'll see 3 horizontal lines. Tap on these to open the main menu. From the menu, select Settings. This is where you'll find all the options to manage your account and privacy. Inside the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on Privacy and Security. This section controls your account's safety features, including two-step verification. Next, look for the option labeled Passcode Lock or Lock App. Tap on it to proceed. Now, find and select two-step verification. This is the feature that adds an extra password to your Telegram account. To continue, you'll need to enter the password you set up when you enabled two-step verification. Type it in carefully, then move forward. Once you're inside the two-step verification settings, you'll see the option to Disable Password. Tap on this. A confirmation prompt will appear, asking if you're sure you want to turn off two-step verification. Tap Disable to confirm your choice. That's it. Two-step verification is now turned off on your Telegram account. You'll no longer need to enter the extra password when logging in from a new device or after reinstalling the app. Remember, while disabling two-step verification makes logging in faster, it also removes an extra layer of security. Be sure to keep your account information safe. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with others who might need a hand. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.